Selenium is an essential trace mineral needed by the human body. Selenium has an antioxidative function and protects body cells from oxidative damage caused by free radical oxidation to the cells. Selenium may help improve immune function and helps prevent heart diseases and certain cancers. Furthermore, selenium helps slow aging and aids DNA repair and body cell apoptosis. By reducing free radical formation, selenium can lessen the need for other antioxidants, such as vitamin E. The excellent food sources of selenium are Brazil nuts, fish, and animal organ meat such as beef liver meat, meat and poultry. Eggs are also a good source of selenium. The top 12 foods high in selenium are Brazil nuts, tuna, halibut, sardine, ham, shrimp, macaroni, beef, turkey, beef liver, chicken, and cottage cheese.